Hello friends, I am Sonali Agrawal. This is the second video of my video lecture series NCERT Class 10th Mathematics. In this video, I'll solve the pair of linear equations in two variables by using the elimination method. So let's start. Name it as equation 1 and this equation as equation 2. Now, here we have two variables. One is x and second is y, due to which it is difficult to solve them. So we will try to reduce these equations into one variable form. Step 1. Try to eliminate y. For this, we will multiply equation 1 by 3. So 9x minus 4y equal to, multiply this equation by 3. 27x minus 12y equals 6. Name it as equation third. Similarly, here we have minus 12y. तो सेकेंड इक्वेशन में भी हमको यहाँ पे 12y चाहिए. तो इसके लिए सेकेंड इक्वेशन को 4 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. 7x माइनस 3y इक्वल टू इंटू 4. तो आ जाएगा हम लोग का 28x माइनस 12y इक्वल 8. नेम इट एज इक्वेशन 4. इनको हम सेपरेटली लिख लेते हैं. 27x माइनस 12y इक्वल 6. 28x third equation and fourth equation. Now you may be thinking why I have multiplied first equation by 3 and second equation by 4. This comes from here. We will multiply first equation by the coefficient of second equation of y. Similarly, for the second equation, we will take the coefficient of y of first equation. Now, we have eliminated y here. We can also eliminate x. Step second. Now, here we have 12y in both the equation. So, we will subtract one equation from other. Equation fourth minus equation third. 28x minus 12y equal 8. 27x minus 12y equal 6. Now, x equal 2. So, the value of x here is 2. Step third. While subtraction, the sign changes. For example, here we are subtracting third equation from fourth equation. So, here there is plus sign which is then converted into negative. Similarly, the minus sign is converted into plus and again the plus sign is converted into minus because we are subtracting. Step third. Putting value of x in equation first. 9 2 minus 4y equal 2. 18 minus 4y equal to 18 minus 2 equal 4y. So 16 equal 4y and y equal 16 upon 4, that is y equal 4. Now you can verify your answer by putting value of x and y into equation first or equation second. This is it for this particular question. Let's solve one more question for further clarification. Now we will solve this question by using elimination method. Name this equation as 1 and this equation as 2. So in this pair of linear equation, we will try to eliminate x. For that, multiply equation 1 by the coefficient of x of equation 2. In the second equation, the coefficient of x is 4. So we will multiply equation 1 by 4. 2x plus 3y equal 8 multiply by 4 because here the coefficient of x is 4. So 8x plus 12y equal 32. This is our third equation. Now we will multiply equation second by the coefficient of x of equation 1. Here the coefficient of x is 2. So we will multiply equation second by 2. 4x plus 6y equals 7 multiply by 2, because the coefficient of equation 1 is 2. So 8x plus 12y equal 14. Start. This is our equation 4. So let's write them again. 8x plus 12y equal 32. 8x plus 12y equal 14. Step second. Subtract equation fourth minus equation third. 8x plus 12y equal 14. 8x plus 12y equal 32. When we subtract, we change the sign of lower equation. So plus will become minus here also and here too. So these will get cancelled. Similarly, they will get cancelled. 0 equal minus 18. Here 0 is not equal to minus 18. That means this pair of equation will have no solution. There is no value of x and y for this particular equations. If you have any doubt in this question, let me know in the comment section. This is your assignment question. Solve this and let me know your answers in comment section. Also, please don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel.